Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular series, we are covering different AI tools and we'll see how we can use those tools to increase our productivity. So this particular video is for all the YouTubers, all the content creators who want to create their YouTube thumbnails, they want to create some images and all. So in this particular video, we're gonna see one AI tool, Ideogram, with the help of which we can create images with the help of single prompt. So first what you have to do, you have to go to any of the browser and you have to type ideogram. You will get this particular website, ideogram.ai. Just have to click on this particular link. So it will open this interface. So here you can see it is asking us what will you create. So in this particular text box, you have to paste the prompt. And for creating this particular prompt, we're gonna use the ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT and I will write one prompt. You have to use the same prompt to create the ideas for your thumbnail or your images. Okay, so you have to write, give me ideas for creating YouTube thumbnails with person having suitable expression on following topic. And after that, you have to give one semicolon and you have to mention the topic of your particular video or a topic on which you have to create an image. Okay, so I will give how to stop global warming. Okay, this prompt you have to use and you have to enter. So it will give you some thumbnail ideas. It will take some time. It is creating the idea, but I want specific ideas. So that will ask again, give me 5 ideas on wow topic. Okay, now it will give me 5 different ideas. Yeah, he's generating this. You can see he's giving 5 different ideas. So out of these 5 different ideas, I will choose this one, urgent call to action. I'll just copy this particular idea and you have to write, give me prompt for image generation on, you have to paste your idea. So now it will create one prompt. So this is a particular chat GPT behavior. So it will directly give you the image, but I don't want image. Give me prompt, give me prompt. Not now he will give me a prompt for the above idea. So I got the prompt. You have to copy the particular prompt from here. And once you copy the particular prompt, again we have to come to ideogram. Here in this particular text box, you have to paste your prompt, and you can see you can alter this option if you want to keep your aspect ratio with the 9:16 to 1 or 16:9. For YouTube, usually use 16:9. I'm choosing that. Then after that, you can choose the color palette and all those things. I will be keeping those things as a default. And here also you have different options: auto, general, realistic, design. So now I will keep auto only and generate the thumbnail. So you can see the generation is started. It will take some time. This is the best tool in the market right now to create the thumbnail with the help of prompts. It is generating the generation progress. It is almost, you can see the thumbnail quality. It's too good, right? You can see act now to save our planet. You can see this thumbnail, act now to, it will give you four different thumbnails. Let's choose another. Let's generate thumbnail on another thing. We'll try with this one, frustration with inaction. Let's select this one, paste. Let give me prompt, not image, for, again it will give me a prompt. Getting the prompt, get the prompt, copy this, paste it here again. For now, let's click on the generate. See how it's gonna right now. One of the important and easy to use tool, AI tool. Again, it is how it goes. But look at the quality; it is very good. Why aren't we doing more? I will show you a few more files which I have generated earlier. This thing, all these things are generated by this particular AI only. See this thumbnails created, the quality of thumbnails. You don't need to buy any editor and all those things. With the help of this particular AI, you can create a very good thumb, very good thumb. So that's all for this particular video. We'll meet you in this video.